About those two?
So, there we go. Just like that.
One circle's inside the other. Okay. Yep. Pretty much. All your answers are summed up in these steps. You've all answered one. Take a look at how what you all think about it. Can you tell us what you know?
And so those would probably go together. And since these ones kind of have like a little hill, so they would go together. They are both probably 36 degrees, I'm guessing. Around 36 degrees. And these two are the same. These two are the same. So we'll go this one at the bottom. Those are two the same. Those are this one. What about this one? Hey, wait.
How do you know they're the same?
Hey, look, these two are the same too.
Can you show me that those are the same?
Yep.
Yeah. How do you know they're the same?
Look, these are the same too.
Oh, cool. All right. These are the same?
Yeah. Let me see that one. This one? Yeah. I think these. Yeah, those are the same. Because the end point, those are. Hey, look, he got some angry eyebrows.
Are these the same? Let me see.
That's a 90-degree angle. These two are Austin.
That's pretty interesting though. Can you put that back the way you?
I don't think these two are.
What were you noticing about those angles?
They fit into each other.
What did you notice?
No, they don't. The black.
What did you say about those two?
They fit into each other.
What do you think? What does he mean they fit into each other?
The circles.
One circle's inside the other. Okay. Yep, I see that.
The lines match.
Do those lines match?
No.
So what do you think he might have meant when he said they fit inside each other? Can you tell us what you meant by those two fitting inside each other?
But I don't know.
Does one angle fit inside the other angle?
Yeah.
Ah, hey, that's cool.
That one fits.
Which angle fits inside the other angle?
This black one.
Well, let's look at, I see this orange angle and I see this angle. Which one is inside the other? Which angle is inside the other angle?
The orange one.
The orange angle is inside the other angle. So what does that mean about the orange angle?
The orange angle is smaller.
It appears to be. Yeah, that's what it appears to be. So maybe we've learned something about how they're measured. Okay. As a team, the team now is everybody at your team. As your team, I want to ask for some volunteers who would come up and show us on the Elmo how it was you decided to sort your angles. Do we have any volunteers? Yeah. Could you bring your angles up and show us? Austin, do you want to come with her? From support? And we're just going to listen to what you two have to say, all right? Can everybody focus your attention up here, please?
Yes.
Thanks.
We found out that these two are the same because if you match up the endpoints, they're the same angle. They're both a 90-degree angle.
Okay, so what did Austin... What did Austin and Victoria discover about these two angles? Yeah.
They said that they matched the 2 points together and they matched.
And they're both the same? Yeah. Ryan, could you do me a favor? Could you find angle... What are the names of the angles?
Stu and Mom.
Stu and Mom. Can you find Stu and Mom for us, please?
Back down.
No, when I look at those two angles, are they the same?
Yeah.
No.
But they're different. Because they're both a 90-degree angle.
What do you mean by that?
If you put both of the sharing points, they fit evenly.
Back down.
M-O-N, like, half of a square, it looks like half of a square, STU is half of a square too.
All right. So what does she say is the same about these two angles here? Yeah.
They're half of a square.
She sees half of a square. Do all of you see what she means by half of a square? Okay. So now let me ask you, what is different about those two? What is different about the two you see there? Yeah, Victoria?
One smaller, one big.
One is, can you show me what exactly is small? Can you point to what you mean by when you say small? What is Victoria looking at when she says one is small and one is bigger? Yes?
ST was smaller.
Can you come, but wait a minute now. I have a question though. We just said they were the same. If they are the same, can one angle be smaller than the other? So I'm really confused here. When you look up there, do you see one appears to be smaller than the other?
Yes.
Can someone show me exactly where the smaller part is? Yeah, can you come up and show us? What is that she's pointing to? What part of the angle is that?
The faces. Line segment.
The what?
Line segment.
The line segment. This line segment is shorter. Line segment UT or TU is shorter than what other line segment? You guys back at that table, man, I don't know. I hope your parents don't ever see this video. Really, they're not going to be very impressed, are they? No, and there's a chance that they might. Okay, so anyway, what line segment is TU shorter than?
U.
MO.
MO is shorter than that. So maybe we've learned something. Does the length of the line segment make one angle bigger than another angle?
No.
What makes an angle bigger or smaller? Kate?
Like the degrees of how it's made. Like one this big compared to one that big.
Tate, do you guys have an angle? Do you guys have an angle? I see what you're saying. Let's
Yes,
see if
do.
you can show me. Can you show us? Thanks you two. Thanks Victoria. Thanks, Tate, can you show us if we put Mom up here? Do you have an angle that is smaller than that? Can you show us?
It's the same. I'll match them up, too.
You mean this table?
Okay, is that smaller?
Yes.
What do you guys think?
Yes. Yes.
What is smaller? What part of it is smaller? Can you line the lines up exactly? Okay, is one angle smaller than the other?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Austin, is it?
No. If it was smaller, it would be closed in.
Austin, do you have an angle that is smaller than Mom so you can show us what you mean?
Right. I don't have a bigger.
You want to show us one big? Show us a bigger one then. Go ahead, no, lay it right on top, yeah. Okay, Austin says that angle is bigger. What do you think? Why is it bigger? Yes, Victoria?
Because the lines are out more.
The lines are out more. Can someone paraphrase her? What does she mean the lines are out more? Yeah.
The line segment doesn't fit into it.
Show me what you mean by that. Can you go up there and show me what you mean the line segment doesn't fit into it?
The line, these line segments doesn't fit into those ones.
You guys see what he means? Which line segments fit into the other line segments?
STU.
STU fits into what?
Mom.
Well, let's get rid of Mom. Sorry. Sorry, Mom. You're out of here. Let's just use STU and Dad. Sorry. Okay, which angle is inside the other angle? Yeah.
STU is inside of the.
Very clearly stated. Does everybody see what she means? So which angle is smaller?
STU.
STU is smaller. All right, so what are we looking for to tell if an angle is bigger or smaller? Are we looking for the size of the line segments?
No.
What are we looking for?
The minus of the degree of it, or like where it spreads out.
Okay, where it spreads out.